Product can be defined as something which has been worked on or refined for sales. It is basically something that people invent or produce to sell for an exchange with money. The only thing reverberating inside the mind of all entrepreneurs or business people is how to price their product at the right price. The simple thing to do is to communicate value instead of product. Let's take examples from car brands. Remember to never ever talk about price. Car brands such as Honda gives customers a specification sheet about the cars to initiate sales. But a car brand like Rolls-Royce will never, as it is associated about branding. It is all about what it feels to be driving this car, who drives these cars, what it means to be driving a Rolls-Royce, how people perceive you when you drive a Rolls-Royce. When you start talking in terms of these factors, you are now going to have customers who understand the value of your product and who are going to be willingly interested in initiating a purchase, and hence it is no more a price conversation.